In this video, I'll detail how to turn off 5G coverage on iPhone on iOS 18. So, if you think the 5G consumes most of your data, like you can see, I have 5G turned on my iPhone. You can easily disable this 5G until you choose to turn it off again. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, and here this depends on your location. On most devices, you should see cellular data, and on some devices you see mobile service. Then go ahead and click on mobile service. Once you selected mobile service, come down here and click on mobile data options. So you should see cellular data options. If you're not seeing mobile data options, click on that. Then here, locate voice and data. Then under voice and data, you have three options available here. Then you have the 5G auto, you have 5G on and LTE. To permanently disable or turn off 5G on your iPhone on iOS 18, just make sure you turn on LTE. But if you want to use 5G, this is going to turn on 5G permanently on your iPhone. So if there is not any other network on your iPhone, you find it difficult to access the internet. So in this case, you want to choose 5G auto to switch between 5G and LTE. Now to turn off 5G completely, just choose LTE and that's it. So this is going to disable or turn off your iPhone 5G on iOS 18. So if you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.